Now, this is another investment option for you in Bluestone Garden City, Mowe. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary of Ascent Brooks Limited. Now, this is Ire. Ire is in Bluestone Garden City. Can you see this? So, this is another investment option for you here in Mowe. So if you are looking to buy and you want to build, or you want to buy, hold it for a while and resell, or you want to buy and develop, this is another option for you. In case you are new on my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Yes, don't forget to subscribe and share this video so that you can just be helping someone secure their first property, their land or, house, whatever the case may be. This property comes with the title certificate of occupancy. It's 7 minutes away from the Mowe bus stop, the one along the Lagos-Ibadan expressway. So here we have lands available for you in both 300 and 600 square meters respectively. We have investors, we have our clients who have actually bought even when it was far affordable. But then I can still tell you that this is the most affordable land, far the most affordable land here in Bluestone Garden City. And I am calling on you today, be the smart investor, buy, hold it, because this is gold. It is still selling today at an affordable price. If you look into or you come into Bluestone Garden City, this is far the most affordable land. Meanwhile, they all have the same title. Yes. So if you are a smart investor, you can buy today, resell later. Yes. Or you can buy, develop, and put it out on rent because it's in a good location. This is the first estate in Bluestone Garden City. So you don't have to walk all the way down inside. The house is just the first estate here. So give me a call today. Call me on 0703 38731718. 1 million naira initial deposit and you get a slice of this. Remember, we have up to 12 months payment plan here. So secure one or more plots, buy in acres. Imagine those who bought as low as 5 million naira today. Imagine the return on investment they would get on each of the plots. So buy today in acres and thank me later. So this place is very secured. There's one thing I love about Mowe Axis. It's a very secured estate. Okay, see, when I tell you people live here, you see students coming inside the estate. You see, their boss just dropped them now. So you see, it's a good time for you to invest. How are you there? Welcome back. Hello, how are you? See your smile. So you see, people live here actually. And it's very secure. That's this gatehouse. So 1 million naira initial deposit. We have the site layout here for everyone. Look at it. So By the time we are done, we are going to be having lots of recreational areas here. So give me a call. Key into a 300 or 600 square meter today. I await your calls. You can see, look at people who actually bought lands here way before now, earlier than this time. See? Uh, so give me a call. Expect to hear from